Initially, I was gonna ground it right here. There's a ground right there on this side of the engine. I saw the numbers; they were too high, so I was thinking, well, maybe this one's not making very good connection. So I decided to go around and find another ground, which led me to find that guy right there, which was completely off. I found it just dangling down there. So definitely the voltage drop test does come in handy. So quick diagnostic. All right, this one is the broken ground, barely touching, well, as much as it can. Definitely stronger. This is that same spot, just with the ground completely off. This was my setup for trying to figure this problem out, because the battery is back here and I have to get some alligator clips, run them to my meter, and then going out to the engine bay, testing, doing a voltage drop from the battery to the starter, checking the cable, checking the connection at the starter, and then from there doing the voltage drop tests on the negative side, which led me to find my issue. All right, so we installed the new ground cable, and here it goes. And there we go. Thing starts right up. Starter has plenty of power to turn over the engine now, which it didn't before, and the issue's fixed.